Yaga yo, yaga yo, yaga yo, 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 yo. We're outside again. Make sure you tell your friend. Like, share, and comment, and subscribe. Okay, so today, this is just going to be a real brief one. And I'm going to speak to you about how am I finding the DJI Action 4 and the Mic Mini so far. Let's talk about it, man. So, what I'm going to say to you is this, yeah. If you're just starting out and you're like, you know what, I need a good action camera, I need to have decent video quality and audio, my advice personally is just go to the shop, Argos or Amazon, and go and grab yourself a DJI Action 4 camera. Just go and get one. When you've gotten that, obviously if you do motovlogging and stuff, get yourself a Mic Mini. They're probably about between 30 and 40 pounds. Once you've got them two, you're good to go. I kid you not. Image quality is bang on. I mean, you guys can tell me what you think about it. The one thing I would say, guys, is when it comes to the image quality, there's two main factors that you got to think about. Now, I'm not perfect at it. Now, I feel like I could get my image even cleaner. I'm trying all different sorts of settings. Really, I should be putting the settings I'm using in the description, which I'll start doing that. I keep forgetting. But once you've sorted out the best image quality, and this is what I do as well sometimes, guys, is look at what type of day it is and go into like ChatGPT or one of them things there and ask them what do they think the best settings is for whatever camera and whatever type of day you're rolling in. So that's a little tip there. But yeah, the quality is going to be, your settings is going to be a serious, have serious influence over what the footage is going to look like. And then secondly, the post edit. So once you put it into your editing software, whether you're using Final Cut, Adobe, DaVinci or whatever, that's going to make the difference. So if you're going to shoot your image in flat, then what that means is it's going to retain more information and the colors are going to look really flat, like sort of grey and dull, or you're going to have to put all them colors back on. So if you're using LUTs, that's one thing, which that's what I do. But if you really understand the color grading, you can make the image look absolutely crazy. Like I've seen guys using the same camera, the DJI Action 4, and I'm like, mate, how the hell do you get that camera to look like that? Do you know what I'm saying? The other thing you got to think about is the contrasting colors. So obviously it's grey out there. If you look at the sky, it's grey, it's gloomy, it's wet. But you see when the sun's out and the sky's blue, the footage looks crazy. Do you get what I'm saying? So that's what you got to think about. Personally, guys, if you're just jumping into doing motovlogging and these sort of stuff, personally, I would say do not go out and buy a GoPro 13. Do not go out and buy a DJI Action 6. I wouldn't do that personally, because especially if you're just starting out, you probably won't even get footage that looks as good as this with an Action 6, because you ain't gonna know what you're doing. You're gonna get the most out of it when you're doing the editing part of it. Do you get me? So don't just fall for the okie doke and say, "Rah, yeah, that's the new camera, Action 6." Don't do it. Don't do it. Just get yourself an Action 4 and go for it. And why else would I say Action 4 over, say, like a GoPro or something like that? The Action 4, this thing is solid, it's reliable. It comes with the protective case. It's waterproof. You can't go wrong. When you have this camera, so far for me, it hasn't overheated. My GoPro 12 that I bought, imagine I bought this after the GoPro 12. I took the GoPro 12 back. Do you get me? So that should tell you something already. Do you know what I mean? So just know what you're doing, guys. Don't just fall for it just because, oh my gosh, I'm getting the new Action 6 or the GoPro 13. Like, don't do it. You're gonna upset yourself, mate. Do you know what I mean? Like, just get something cheap and cheerful that does the job. Do you get me? Anyone who's got the other ones, let me know in the comments. Let me know how you're getting on with your action cameras and what are you using, what settings are you using, depending on what type of day. Do you know what I mean? And also, what I will say is, get yourself some ND filters. So again, ND filters, they're like sunglasses for your camera. So you can let more light in with a higher ISO without making the image too bright. So what that can do is that can give it like a cinematic type of feel and a nice smoother image. Now at the minute, what am I using? An ND16, I believe. The other day when I was shooting, the footage might have looked a little bit different, but that time I decided to try shooting without any ND filters on at all. So let me know how the videos look to you. And the videos I'm talking about is like the ones where I'm talking about riding in the rain, the one where I was up in Chardon. Let me know what that looked like. But yeah, guys, just don't fall for it, man. Don't just buy it just because it's new. Think about your budget, think about what you're going to do with it, and think about what skill level you're at in terms of your editing, and do you understand the science of it? Because I'll tell you the truth, yeah, if you're just going to pick it up and shoot in auto, you might as well don't even bother with the Action 6, I'll be honest. You might as well not do it. Some of them might be better. I think the Action 6 might be slightly better in the darker conditions, but I'm going to be doing some videos soon in the dark to show you how this one acts up. And I think I've got a video on the channel actually in the dark. It's only one. When I was on my 7, I think I was riding through town. But yeah, guys, I just thought I'd just give you a little bit of wisdom there. Don't fall for the okie doke buying a camera just because it's new. It's just like all the phones and stuff. Like, say you got a Galaxy S24, like, why do you need to upgrade to the 25 and 26 and that sort of stuff, when you're going to upgrade and do the exact same thing that you're doing with the other ones? There's not that much difference in it. And that's in my personal opinion anyway. Do you know what I mean? If you have money for Dashwood, then do your thing in it. Just do what you want in it. But I'm just trying to give a bit of wisdom, because it's all about penny pinching. It's all about scrimping. Do you know what I mean? Scrimping with intent. The intent is not for Dashwood money and turn stupid with it. Do you know what I'm saying? But even the accessories for this, the DJI, the accessories are cheap. The mic mini, 30 quid. You can get the bigger one, which is a bit more, but for me, I don't need nothing more than a mic mini. Like, why do I need anything more? I think this sounds amazing personally. Batteries for the camera, you can get spare batteries and battery holders and selfie sticks. All of it's cheap. If you're playing about with GoPro now, you're gonna pay big bucks, big bucks. And for what? Every minute it's crashing, it's overheating, the battery's just draining rapid. Even the battery on this, I'll probably get about an hour out of this, I think. And maybe it's because I'm shooting at 30 frames per second. But I'm telling you, this camera is definitely the one to go for. Yeah, so she's gonna stop me in the, yeah. You see what I'm saying? Idiot. Mate. Anyway, let me not even do that. But yeah, anyway, that'll be all for that. Don't forget, remember we're doing daily content around here, so like, share, comment, subscribe to those that need it. We out.